أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. So inshallah ta'ala we are learning today lesson of Bab Ifal. This is the special case number 7 of chapter Ifal. So this chapter has 8 different special cases. So inshallah we will finish this next week. So today special case number 7. We learned 6 special cases before. Now, can somebody tell me just what we did yesterday?
Amana,
Amana,
Yuminu, Iman.
Iman. So Amana means he believed. And next was
Ara, Yuri,
Ara, Yuri,
Ira.
Ira. So yeah, so these were the number 5 and number 6. You know what is the first one?
First is Anzala, Yunzelu, Inzal. Special case.
That is the regular one.
Ara, Arada.
Arada, Yuridu, Irada.
Irada. Aujada, Yujidu, Ijad.
Ijad.
उसके बाद जी औजदा
Auha,
औहा यूही एहा
Iha.
आता यूति एता and
yesterday Amana, Yuminu,
Amana,
Iman.
Yuminu, Iman.
And Ara, Yuri,
Ara, Yuri, Ira.
Ira. Yeah, so these were the special cases we have learned already. So today is Aghna. Aghna means he made somebody rich or he benefited somebody. Aghna, Yugni, Ighna. The first derivative is Ghaniya. Ghaniya, Yaghna. Like Khashiya, Yakhsha or Radiya, Yarda. Ghaniya means he was himself rich. Aghna, he made somebody rich. Okay. So, Ghaniya, Aghna, Yugni. Brother Naeem, can you do the TPA for Aghna, Yugni?
Igna.
Aghna.
Agna, Agnau, Agnaita, Agnaitum, Agnaitu, Agnaina. Yugni, Yugnuna, Tugni, Tugnuna, Ugni, Nugni. Agni, La Tugni. Agnu, La Tugnu. Mugnin, Mugnuna, Mugnina, Mugnan. Mugnuna,
Mugnauna.
Mugnauna, Naina, Igna.
Igna. So Aghnau means?
Agnau, they made rich, benefited somebody.
They benefited somebody. Yogni?
He makes rich, benefited somebody, or benefit somebody.
You can just say one word.
One word. He makes rich.
He makes
or he will
rich.
make rich.
Ogni?
I make rich. I will make rich.
Yeah. But can you take the first eye on the screen?
Ma agna anhu malahu wa ma kasab.
Yeah.
Ma not agna. He made benefit. He made benefited.
He made rich.
He made rich.
Yeah.
An about who him. Ma what. Malahu his wealth.
Yeah.
Wa and ma what kasaba he earned. Not his
Maluhu.
His wealth not benefited.
Did not
benefit to him.
Yeah.
And what he earned.
And what he earned. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khairan. Next word is ahya. Ahya means he gave life. We learned the first derivative of this word, hayya yahya. in Bab Naqis. Hayya Yahya. Hayya means he lived. Ahya, he gave life. Brother Asher, can you do the TP for Ahya?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ahya, he gave life. Ahya, ahyaw, ahyayta, ahyaytum, ahyaytu, ahyayna. Yuhyi, yuhyuna, tuhyi, tuhyuna, uhyi, nuhyi. Ahyi, la tuhyi. Ahyu, la tuhyu. Muhyi,
Muhyin.
muhyin, muhyun, muhyin. Muhyan, muhaun,
Muhyun.
muhyaun, muhyain. Ihya,
Ihya. So we know this
ihya.
word Ihya, Ihya Islam. In Urdu.
Okay.
So that is Ihya. That is the masdar. So Yuhyi means
He gives life or he will give life.
Yuhyuna.
They give life or they will give life.
Ahyi.
Give life.
Muhyin.
The one who gives life.
The one who gives life. Can you take the ayah on the screen?
Yeah.
Second one.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم لا إله إلا هو يحيي ويميت لا not ilaha deity illa
God.
except huwa him yuhyi he gives life wa and yumit he gives death.
Yeah.
There is absolutely no deity except him. He gives life and he gives death.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. He gives life and he gives death. So the next word is a'ata. A'ata means he granted. A'ata. Brother Shahid, can you please do the TP for a'ata?
Yes, I.
Right.
أعطى أعطوا أعطيت أعطيتم أعطيت أعطينا يعطي يعطون تعطي تعطون أعطي نعطي أعطي
A'ati.
أعطي لا تعطي أعطوا
Tu.
لا
A'tu.
أعطوا لا تعطوا معطٍ معطون معطينا معطن معطونا
Tawna.
معطينا
Mu'tawna.
معطونا معطينا إيتا
I'ta. So yu'ti means
يؤتي he granted he grants or he will grant
yu'tuna.
they grant or they will grant
A'taw.
they granted
They granted. A'taytu.
I granted
A'tayna.
we granted
We granted. And mu'tin.
the one who grant
Mu'tan.
those who the one who granted
The thing that is granted.
the thing that is
It
granted.
is maf'ul. Mu'tin, the one who grants, and mu'atan, the thing that is
The thing that is
granted.
granted.
Can you please also take the ayah, the first ayah on the screen?
Inna a'tainakal kawsar. Inna, indeed.
There is alif at the end also.
Inna.
If there is no alif, then it would be indeed. But there is alif at the end.
Okay.
Indeed?
Indeed, I.
No, we.
Indeed, we. Sorry. Indeed,
What is
we.
indeed I?
Inni.
Inni. Very good.
Indeed, we. A'tayna. We gave.
We granted. Ka.
Ka. You.
You.
Al Kawsar. the pose, or what you call that,
The abundance of
the abundance,
good things. Yeah.
the abundance, the good things.
The abundance of good things, you can
Good.
say. Yeah.
The
Yeah, it has a vast meaning in Al-Kawthar. Yeah. Can you combine, please?
Indeed, we gave you.
We
Indeed,
granted you. In na
we,
also has a we in it, and Taina also has a we.
we granted you, Al-Kawthar, the abundance of good.
Yeah. Can you combine it just without Arabic?
Indeed, we granted you the abundance of good.
Excellent. Very good. Jazakallah khairan,
Yeah.
brother Shahid. Next word is adra. Adra means he made somebody know. He made somebody know. Adra. Who is there? Brother Rashid, can you do please Adra? Walaikum assalam.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Adra, adrau, adraita, adraitum, adraitu, adraina. Yudra, yudruna,
Yudri.
yudri, sorry, yudri, yudruna, tudri, tudruna, udri, nudri. Adri, la tudri, adrou, la tadru,
Tudru.
la tudru. Mudrin, mudruna, mudrina, mudran, mudruna,
Rauna.
mudrin,
Mudraun.
mudrina, idra.
Idra. So Yudri means? Yudri.
He will make somebody know.
He makes somebody know.
He will
Yudruna.
make. They will make somebody know, or they will know.
Tudri.
You will make somebody know.
Adraina.
We will make somebody know.
Adraina.
We,
Madi.
yes, okay, we made somebody know.
We made somebody know. Can you take the ayah, please?
Yes,
Also?
yes. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wama adraka ma laylatul qadr. Wa, and ma, not, adra,
My, you can say what also?
he,
Adra means?
adra, he made somebody know.
No.
You, ka, you, ma, not, or ma, what?
Ma what, yeah.
The night.
Layla, night, yeah.
Layla, the night. Al Qadr. Can we say the night? The
Power,
Qadr?
the power.
The
Power.
night of power.
Yeah.
And not. Can we say nobody knows? Nobody know. What? Adra. He made somebody know. Ka, you. Ma, what? Laylatul Qadr. The light, the night of power. So
how we will combine now?
How will combine? And nobody. How can we say that?
I think ma means here what? Yeah.
We can say ma, what here?
Yeah.
So,
and what makes you or made you know? What made you know?
What made you know? What is the power of night?
Laylatul. What is power of night of power? What is night of power?
Night of power.
Yeah. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you, brother. Next is Arja. Arja means he deferred. He deferred, he postponed. Arja. Raja Yarju, we learned in the second level, Raja Yarju. So this is Arja. Arja means he deferred, he postponed. Arja. Brother Azhar, are you there? Can you do the TPA for Arja?
He's not there.
Can you do Burak? Why he is not there? Burak, can you do Arja?
He had to go to work.
Okay.
Okay.
Do Arja.
Arja, he different.
He postponed.
He postponed.
Yeah.
Arja, Arju,
Joe.
Arjai, Arju,
Arjau.
Joe, Arjaita, Arjaitum, Arjaitu, Arjaina, Yuturi,
Yurji. 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 Yurji.
Yorji, Yorjuna. What did you say?
Torji.
Oh, Dorji,
Juna.
Dorjuna, Orji, Narji. Arji,
Arji.
La Tujuri,
Torji.
La Turji,
Ju. Arju.
Arju, La Turju,
Mhm.
um,
Murjin.
Origin, Mujarun, Mujarin,
Mur.
Mujar,
Rise first. Murjun.
June, Morjin,
Yeah.
Morjan, Morjun,
Jaun. Noon
Mur-
has a zabar.
Mur-
Murjaun.
Morjoun, Morjin,
Jain.
Jane,
Jain.
Jane, Raj,
No. Ir. Rise first. Ir. Ja.
Irja,
Irja.
Irja.
So Arja means
Arja means he postponed.
pond. Yurji.
What?
Yurji.
Oh, Yurji, he postponed or he will postpone.
Orji.
Orji, he, I postponed or I will
Murjauna.
or Jonah, the thing that postponed.
Yeah, those are postponed. Yeah. Jazakallah khairan, Burak. Thank you. Brother Ejaz, can you take this ayah, please? Brother Ejaz.
السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وآخرون مرجعون لأمر الله. And آخرون
Others.
مرجعون they postponed.
Those are postponed. Those are deferred.
Oh, those are deferred. Li with Amrullah.
Li means?
Li with or
yeah,
for,
Li means for actually.
For.
Yeah.
For Amrullah, word of Allah or
Order or decision.
order of Allah.
Yeah.
Amrullah, order of Allah. And others were deferred,
are
others are deferred or postponed for
until, you
order
can
of,
say until the
order of Allah
until the
comes.
order of Allah. Can you also do the TP for arja again? Arja.
Arja, arjau, arjaita, arjaitum, arjaitu, arjaina. Yurji, yurjuna, turji, turjuna, urji, nurji. Arji, la turji. Arjau,
Arju.
arju, la turju.
Mur.
Murjin, murjuna, murjina. Murja, murjan, murjauna, murjaina. Irja.
Irja. So murjauna, where it fits?
Murjauna is under ism maf'ul, murjauna plural.
Good. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you. So the next word is alqa. Brother Riza, can you do the TP for alqa?
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Alqa, alqau, alqaita, alqaitu, alqaitum, alqaitu, alqaina. Yalqi,
Yulqi.
yulqi, yulqi, yulquna, tulqi, tulquna, ulqi, nulqi, alqi, la tulqi, alqau,
Alqu.
alqu, la tulqu, mulqin,
Yeah.
mulquna, mulqina, mulqain,
Mulqan.
mulqan, mulqaun, mulqauna, mulqaun, mulqaun, mulqaina. القياء
No. Ilqa. Like
القاء
aghna, igna. Alqa. Ilqa.
القاء
And ulqi means?
ألقي I put down.
Nulqi.
نلقي we put down.
Yulqi.
He puts down.
Alqaina.
ألقينا 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 the one
Alqaina.
ألقينا oh yes ألقينا we put down.
We put down. Yeah, Jazakallah khairan. Thank you, Brother Reza. Left. So the next word is akhfa. Akhfa. Brother Tariq, can you please do the akhfa?
Assalamu alaikum, inshallah.
Walaikum salam.
Akhfa, he concealed or he hid.
Hid, yeah.
Akhfa, akhfaw, akhfayta, akhfaytum, akhfaytu, akhfayna. Yukhfi, yukhfuna, tukhfi, tukhfuna, ukhfi, nukhfi. Akhfi, la tukhfi. Akhfaw,
Akhfu.
akhfu, la tukhfu. Mukhfi,
Mukhfin.
mukhfin, mukhfuna, mukhfina. Mukhfa,
Mukhfan.
mukhfan, mukhfauna, mukhfaini. Ikhfa.
Ikhfa. So this ism fa'il or maf'ul like mukhfan is used when it doesn't have al before it. Now if there is al mukhfa should be used. But if we are pronouncing this just as it is, then it would be mukhfan.
Fun.
If it is used as a mudaf or it has an al in the beginning, then it would be mukhfa or mughna. Okay. So akhfa means
He hide.
He hid. Yukhfi,
He will hide or he hides.
he hides. Yukhfuna,
They hides or they will hide.
they hide or they will hide. Ukhfi,
I hide or I will hide.
akhfayta,
You hide or you will hide.
you hide or akhfayna,
We hide.
mukhfin,
The thing is hide.
the one who hides.
The one who hide.
And mukhfan,
The thing which hide.
thing that is hide. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you, brother. So maybe let's see. There are some more words. We will not do the cheape all together. Like ansa is also in the same chapter. Brother Rida, if ansa is there, what would be the mudare and masdar? Ansa means he made somebody forget. Ansa,
What was the question again?
what would be the mudare and masdar for that?
Mudare and master. Answer is going to be insa.
What is mudare here? Mudare.
Mudare yunsi.
Yeah, ansa, yunsi,
Insa.
What is the first level word for that? You know?
First,
Maybe level 2, I think we learned it. Bab Naqis.
Bab Naqis. Nasi?
Nasiya. Nasiya means he himself forgot.
Yes.
Nasiya, he himself forgot. Ansa, he made
someone else.
Yeah. Next word is alha. Alha means he distracted. If alha is he distracted, what is mudare?
Yulhi.
Yulhi. Masdar?
Ilha.
Ilha. Next word is arsa. Arsa means he made firm. He made firm. So can you?
Arsa, yursi, irsa.
Irsa. Wal jibala arsaha is also used in Quran. We made firm the mountains. Next word is atgha. Atgha, he made somebody transgress. Atgha.
Atgha yutqi itqa.
Atgha yutqi itqa. And next word is aghwa. Aghwa means he misled somebody. So what would be the mudare?
Yuqvi.
Aghwa, yughwi,
Iqwa.
Ighwa. Ighwa is also used in Urdu. To hide.
Farsi
too. Yeah. So these are the words. Let's just revise one more time. Who can do that? Brother Brother Ejaz, can you tell us the meaning of ahya?
Ahya, he gave life. He gave life.
So ahya, so you should also tell me the mudare and masdar. Ahya, he gave life. Ahya.
Ahya yuhyi ihya.
A'ata.
A'ta, he granted. A'ta yu'ti i'ta.
Next word is adra.
Adra,
Yudri.
Adra yudri idra.
Adra means?
Understand. No.
He
made somebody
to know.
To know.
He made someone know.
Yeah, he made somebody know. Arja.
Arja yurji irja.
Irja. Arja means?
Arja means he postponed or deferred.
He deferred. Alqa.
Alqa yulqi ilqa.
Alqa means?
Alqa is he put down.
He put down. Akhfa is the next word. Akhfa.
Akhfa yukhfi ikhfa.
Ikhfa.
Akhfa he concealed.
He concealed. Jazakallah khairan. So, Brother Shahid Amin, ansa means?
Ansa, he made somebody forget.
Yeah. So, ansa, yunsi.
Ansa, yunsi, insa.
Insa. Alha.
Alha, he distract.
He made somebody.
Distract.
Yeah. Alha.
Alha, yulqi, ilha.
Ilha. And Arsa.
Arsa,
He
he
made
made somebody. He made
firm.
firm.
Yeah. Arsa.
Arsa, yursi, irsa.
Irsa. Atgha.
Transgress.
Made somebody to
He made
cross.
somebody transgress. Atgha, yutghi, itgha.
Itgha. Next is Aghwa. He misled
Aghwa.
somebody.
He missed somebody.
He misled.
Aghwa,
He misled.
yughwi, igwa.
Ighwa.
Igha.
Ighwa.
Igwa.
Ighwa is also used kidnapping for kidnapping. No?
Ji, ji,
It
igwa.
means you misled somebody to.
Or fool makes you fool someone.
So that's it. Any questions for today's lesson? So we can.
I have one question, brother.
Yeah, please.
Like ahiya, I am confusing with the zabar on the ya.
Yeah, it is just put because we do not use to prolong it. It should be alif, na? Like it is alif maksura here, na? Like aghna. So it is just for our own easiness, so that we pronounce
because I have problem. When I read according to this, then I will say ahiya ya.
No. It's not ya. It is ahya.
So should be double. Khari
No,
zabar
it's not double.
Khari zabar should be on the ya.
Yeah, maybe.
Ata.
Yeah.
Adra. Otherwise,
remove it, I think.
Yeah, it's well, maybe we can remove it if it is confusing, but some transcripts use it for our just easiness.
This
We
is
can
for
remove it.
subcontinent people.
Yeah, for subcontinent people. Yeah.
People who don't speak Arabic.
Yeah.
It is for their help. Otherwise, we don't need this khadi zabar.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is not ahya, ya. It is ahya. So like agana, I did not put any standing zabar on agana.
Auha is also like confusing to auha.
It is not auha. It is auha.
So like ata.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Let's move on to our next part. So I would ask Brother Shahbaz to conduct the second part.